Jael, welcome to another vlog. Right now I'm sitting on the balcony enjoying the nice weather today, and I'm doing my nails. I decided to bring my nail stuff out and I was like, this is a nice pleasant experience, do my nails outside. So I just prepped them and I'm going to be painting them with regular nail polish. I have this SC color. It's in Anything Goes, so it's kind of like a coral color. I've been wanting to paint my own nails for a minute, and I was like, maybe I can not go get my nails done, paint them myself, save a little bit of money. I didn't bring any like nail stuff with me, so I don't have any gel. We're gonna see like how it works out, because I know regular nail polish just doesn't last on anyone's nails that much, and I know it's been years since I've used regular nail polish, but I know it just never really lasted on me. But I do know how to do my nails a little bit better now since when I was like a kid. So yeah, I have a nail strengthener, hardener, I'm gonna use as base coat, and then the color, and then the Essie's top coat. So we'll see how this goes. I have like not done my nails, I think it's been a month. I just have had them bare. I'm gonna keep at just doing them kind of minimally and getting into a little bit more natural nail care. But I don't know, we'll see how this goes. I might go straight back to it. Day today, sitting outside. I'm working on another crochet project. It's hopefully going to be a scrunchie. It doesn't really look like much right now. Finished the scrunchie. I used the entire ball of yarn that I had for it, which was about like this big, so it's not as scrunchy as I would have liked. I literally used it down to the last thread, but I mean, it's kind of scrunchy. It's just not super scrunchy, but we're gonna put it to the test right now. Okay, it's just not scrunchy enough. I didn't do enough. Like, what if I just the powder, it might need a little work. It's kind of cute. It's cute. I like it. It's like, I chose brown. I don't know why I chose the brown color to make this in, but I mean, it's kind of doing something. That's pretty cool. So I definitely try it again, because I do like scrunchies. I use these small satin scrunchies every day, literally every day. Wash day, styling my hair every day, all my natural hair protective styles, like all of it. So this one was cool. I'll just need more yarn, but it's kind of folding up. It's too big for one round, but too small for two. Make the bun first and then just use this as the... Okay, yeah, that's better. It's better as the accent, as just the decorative piece, not actually. How cute is that? For this size, I would want it to be like very scrunched. So I would have needed more yarn, so we need like 2. But if I did one with this size rubber band, it would have been fine with 1. But I did it with this size rubber band. This is very practical for me. I've been trying to find projects that are actually practical, because there's so many cute things that you can make, but then it would just like sit there on the shelf because you wouldn't actually wear it or use it. Like if you're making wearables, some things I'm just like not gonna wear, and so I don't want to do that. I want the things I make to be used. So scrunchies is a good thing for me. Hats, so I'm not like a super big hat wearer, but a scrunchie like this, oh yeah. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all that. That's so cute. I love it. Hi, I'm getting ready for dinner. Don't know where we're going, but should be good. I have a good 30 minutes to do my makeup. So I want to do like a real look. I haven't done a real look in a minute, but I did get some lashes because I haven't done my individuals. Cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on some of these lashes tonight. So that should be cute because my real eyelashes are kind of non-existent at the moment, and I tried a new mascara. Sucks. Mascara just never do it for me. I don't know. I'm really on the hunt for a mascara. Every one I try, it just really doesn't do that well. Well, I will say this one wasn't that bad, but it was waterproof, and I don't really prefer to use waterproof. So maybe I just need to get a regular one of that and stick to Maybelline. I tried not Maybelline. No. If anything, it's got to be Maybelline or the Too Faced mascara. But maybe I need to get that one again. Anyways, I'm going to get ready and watch Hulu. I'm watching Married at First Sight right now. And I'm on the latest season. I had to catch up. I was 2 seasons behind. Well, not the latest one that's on TV right now, but the one that's on streaming on Hulu. Season 13, I think. Season 14. So annoying. This season is so annoying. I don't really like anybody on any couple on this season, which is very surprising. Like I don't not like everybody on the season, but the couples, like either one person in the couple, I just don't like. Like there's not that wholesome good couple on this one. Usually there's like one that kind of just makes everything bearable. Not this one. Okay, let's get started. let's see.